Access to healthcare should be simple, fast, and available from anywhere. But even today, for many patients and doctors, managing appointments, consultations, and medical reports is still scattered and time consuming. At Beckinsey, we have spent more than 14 years building healthcare software and digital care platforms for organizations across the world. Beckinsey Telecare is one of our telemedicine platforms. It helps in secure virtual communication, smooth workflow for doctors, and better engagement for patients. In this demo, I'll walk you through a virtual consultation journey using Beckinsey Telecare. Let's first look at the dashboard for users who are not logged in. Here you can see what Beckinsey Telecare offers and who it is built for, with limited interactions for unauthorized users. Let's go to the Find Doctors section. Here users can see a basic overview of available doctors, focusing on the patient experience. So we'll start with the login process. The patient can securely log into their account. Once logged in, the patient lands on a personal dashboard. From here, they can quickly see upcoming appointments, past consultations, and easily access important sections like medical records and prescriptions. This setup helps patients understand their next steps without needing to call the clinic. On the other side, doctors have their own dashboard. On the left, you see the patient view, and on the right, the doctor, Sarah, is logged in. The doctor can check their daily schedule, upcoming teleconsultations, and important details about each patient. Before starting a session, the doctor can review the patient's profile, past visits, and medical history, so they are fully prepared. Both patient and doctor get real-time updates like notifications in app and over email whenever an appointment is scheduled or updated. This helps reduce no-shows and keeps everything on track. Now let's see how a doctor sets availability. Doctor can define their schedule for different days, add time slots, and manage availability easily. Patients will see these available slots while booking an appointment. Back as a patient, search for Dr. Sarah Johnson. Once you've reviewed her profile, select an available date and time slot that works for you. Then click Confirm Booking to finalize the appointment. When it's time for your consultation, click Join Call and then Join Video Call. Make sure to grant the necessary browser permissions for your camera and microphone, which will allow you to enter the virtual waiting room. At the same time, the doctor will navigate to their appointments and click Start Call to join the video session with you. During the video call, you can open the chat panel to communicate. As the patient, you might want to send a quick greeting to kick off the conversation. When the doctor is ready to provide a prescription, they click the prescription button to create a digital record. They'll fill in details like medicine name, dosage, frequency, and duration, adding any specific advice before clicking Save and Send to share it with you. As the patient, you'll receive the prescription in the chat and can click to view the details. You also have the option to upload and share any medical reports during the call. Now, let's end the call from both sides. Once the consultation concludes, both you and the doctor can view the completed session in your respective past appointments lists. As a patient, you'll have access to all your digital prescriptions at any time through the medical records section of your profile. If needed, the patient can easily book a follow-up appointment with the same doctor in just a few clicks. This supports continuous and long-term care. Beckinsey Telecare is designed as a complete digital healthcare ecosystem. It includes features like profile management, medical records, patient history, and global doctor discovery, using multiple filters like manual search, state, city, or even specialty. The platform supports full appointment management, detailed patient records, doctor management, and can also be extended with analytics and admin dashboards. It is built to fit into real clinical workflows. With strong healthcare expertise and years of experience in building secure and scalable platforms, Vacancy helps organizations create powerful digital healthcare solutions. If you are planning to build next generation telemedicine or healthcare platforms, our team can help turn your idea into a real product that both patients and doctors will love to use. If you would like to get a demo of our telemedicine capabilities, please connect with Vacancy. Thank you.